This video is an example of a Nearpod assignment. This kindergarten science has a link to a Nearpod assignment. Usually it will just automatically enroll you in the Nearpod. If it doesn't, if it asks for a code, we will have the code listed right up here, and there will be a place to insert that code. Nearpod is pretty slick, so all you have to do is click the button. It'll navigate you through the slides in your Nearpod. There will be audio for the students to listen to on most slides.
Performance expectation. You will observe an ice cube melting in the sun and the shade. You will communicate the effect of the sun and the shade on the ice cube.
Then the assignment will just take you through, and I'm not going to play all the audio, but you get the idea of how it'll present it to the student. Here's a video that they want the student to watch. It just will pop up, and you can click play. If it doesn't, there's a link you can click on. Here's an optional investigation that the students can do that is hands-on, that teaches this skill. And here is a fun place where the students can draw what they are learning. I'm just going to go ahead and draw something very simple, but you see how easy it is to use the draw tools. I'm just using the mouse on my computer. I can change the color. I've got a highlighter. I can type text. I can insert a picture. And if I don't like what I've done, I can erase. Just click next to go to the next page and continue through the Nearpod assignment. Here's a drag and drop. So I'm just going to drag the words down below and place them up in here where they belong. And then click done. It tells me how many I got right. And when you get to this, you're done. If the student wants to do it again, you can simply tap to start over. There's nothing to submit. Nearpod submits it to the teacher, and the teacher can see the choices the student selected, any drawings or annotations that they made.